Known for his philanthropic efforts, Colaz Smith uses his platform to assist those in need, embodying this true spirit of community and upliftment. Whether he's capturing heartfelt moments, promoting local businesses, or lending a helpful hand to individuals and families, his work resonates with authenticity and generosity. I am about to show you a video of Colaz doing exactly that. But before I proceed, please subscribe, like, and share this video.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Yellow Brick Road TV, and today I'm here at this little cottage live in living colors to see the good work that has been done. Yeah, over there you have the boss himself, Colaz Smith, and over there you have the team. Yeah, famous Mr. Sachs, but he's the product manager today. So he's the one that is giving all the orders on the project today. But yes, here we are. And here, I'm coming to you from the Yellow Brick Road TV. Boy, I'm not lie, up here nice. Up here is really, really nice. Really, really nice up here. Really nice. Really, really nice. Yeah man, up here is really nice. Cool and all of that. It's nice up here. Look at it. Yeah. Yeah, you have to do something like that. It's really nice though. What is here already is really nice. Yeah. And for where it's coming from. Yeah. For where it's coming from. Good job. Good job. So yes guys. Yellow Brick Road TV is here. And the floor and the room and everything. It's nice. You're constructing the bathroom and the toilet at this time. It is what they are doing. So yeah, it's nice. It's really nice, really nice. Good job guys. Good job. It's really nice. Yeah, Colaz is doing them. Well, I miss you go send to him, boy. So, yeah, Mr. C, just come back. Yeah, Mr. C, just come back from down there. And the people them down there really appreciate you, Colaz. Yeah? The people them down there, them really and truly. Yeah? People, them really rate you. Yeah? It's just that, you know, don't worry yourself, Father. I want Father God, you say so. And that's how it go. So the boy will more beat up. But me and you. Oh yes! What make you hide? Come here man, come here. Come in at this man, come in at this. Yes, sir?
Food kind of nasty up now.
Oh, you don't want to go inside? Yeah. Alright, so Ori, Colaz Smith's son.
Hi guys.
Yeah? And he's here. He was little Orius one time, but now I'm a big Orius.
I'm a little bit less, I'm not grow.
You say not grow?
I grow.
Let me just see you down here, so.
Yeah, so I'm short. You growing up?
You don't grow?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm short.
Alright. I'm glad to see you do, son.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah? Remember, humbleness is the key.
True.
Yeah? Remember, not make nothing jump in your head. Boy, Colaz. Oh, you do it. You there, sir. You there, sir. Oh, you do it, Colaz. Tell me how you do it. Tell me how you do it.
I lost God still,
eh?
You know?
Oh, you do it.
Boy, I may not even know myself.
Oh, you do it because, boy, there's not enough hours in the day for you.
True, man.
Huh?
True, man, but I have to do the same way.
Yeah, so the thing set. At
time I really slow down here.
No, it doesn't wait at all. But boy, when everything line up, star, it's nice already. You just want, you know, as they say, you do the finishing, step by step.
Step by step. One
You know.
at a time, Kitchen I will come from the side.
On the side there, yeah, me hear you talk. Yeah, man. The foreman. Ladies and gentlemen, over there you have the foreman. He's a product manager. His name is Sachs. He's not frying chicken today. Yes, he's doing something quite different. Yeah, that is Sachs over here. Sachs over there. And yes, Jamaica land we love. This is it. Yeah, man, I'm glad to make. Because I was meant to be